Is your Samsung washer showing a 3C error code? This indicates an issue with the motor or its operation. Let's troubleshoot step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to address the problem or when to contact support. What does 3C mean? The code signals a potential motor-related issue, often caused by obstructions, operational glitches, or mechanical faults. First, check for obstructions around the motor. Ensure there's nothing blocking the motor's movement, such as loose laundry, debris, or foreign objects inside the drum. Next, restart the cycle. Turn off the washer, wait 2 to 3 minutes, and then restart it. This simple reset can clear temporary errors and restore normal operation. If the error persists, inspect the drum for unusual resistance. Spin the drum manually to confirm it rotates freely. If it feels stiff or noisy, there may be an internal mechanical issue requiring professional attention. Still stuck? Links for the user manual and customer support are available in the video description. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy laundry day!